So, ngayon, masaya ako sa results sa buhay ko. Meron akong mga nagawa at meron akong mga natapos. Pero as I go on sa series ko ng buhay ko, I experience trials, problems, difficulties, at kung paano ko yun ma-overcome. Kasi as I go along with relationship, with my work, may failures ako, may hardships sa relationship, may mga bagay na iba't iba. Pero, I need to keep things private. Yung iba I need to express. So, with this, I understand that it's not that all the time because I learn, I can understand, and these are the things that made me learn and realize things. So, dito,